Is your 1JZ making a terrible ticking noise and it sounds like it's coming from the top? Well, before you assume the worst, this could actually probably be a pretty easy fix. So the first thing I did to try to diagnose this was take the cover off and check out all the coil packs and spark plugs and spark plug wires. Luckily for me, the issue ended up being in cylinder 5. When I took off the spark plug wire and like the boot over top of the spark plug was basically hand tight, like it was knocking around in there, and that is what ended up being the ticking noise. So yeah, definitely before you start digging too deep and start worrying about that, if your 1JZ is having a ticking noise, check out all your spark plugs, coil packs, wires, and if you're fortunate like I was, that could be the issue. I hope this helped someone, and yeah, drop a like and subscribe if this helped. Thanks guys, see ya.